Why stash your tactical rifle or home defense shotgun in a closet or basement safe, far from where you might need it? The SK-1 Tactical, the newest addition to our groundbreaking GunBox lineup, allows you to bring your gun out of hiding and into safe, quick, accessible storage. SK-1 Tactical's sleek, contemporary look invites you to put it in the living room, bedroom, work, or home office, anywhere you might need quick access to your rifle or shotgun. In true GunBox fashion, it is very different from anything else on the market. It's a tough, pressure-formed, zero-weld alloy container with dual die-cast interlocking hinges and redundant servo-controlled interlocking latches. This allows the SK-1 to achieve the highest levels of security possible in an openly displayed container. If the high-tech enclosure and the electronic bells and whistles aren't enough, SK-1 Tactical is a standalone Wi-Fi Bluetooth speaker system, allowing you to stream music from your smartphone. It is secure, tough, looks great, and sounds fantastic. Like all GunBox products, the SK-1 Tactical can be opened in seconds with a touch of a finger, the wave of a keycard or fob, or with a tap of a finger via the smartphone app. SK-1 Tactical can easily be secured to the floor and comes with an audible motion and tamper alarm that will sound if bumped or moved. Purchase the accessory kit for ample storage of shells, magazines, handguns, and other related items. You can configure the SK-1 by downloading the SafeTech app on your smartphone. You can adjust the timeout of the audible alarm, configure the fingerprint reader to ensure a good read every time, or set up shared or timed access. With 5 great color options, carbon black, gunsmoke, billet gray, arctic white, or bond black, you're sure to find the one that best fits your style and decor. SK-1 Tactical stands 43.5 inches tall and will hold a gun that is 39 inches long. The GunBox SK-1 Tactical is the modern-day gun on the mantle. It's time your tactical rifle or home defense shotgun was where it really needs to be. Secured safely, in plain sight, ready when you need it. Learn more at thegunbox.com.
Hi guys, this is Tim with Tactical Walls, and behind me we've got one of our travel displays. It's one of the displays we had out at SHOT Show this year, as well as the Great American Outdoor Show in Pennsylvania. You already know we've got some of the fastest access firearm storage on the market. I'm going to prove that point right now with our magnetic keys, one on each side. We've got access to our ZORE in here. Go ahead and close it up, locks it right back up. That's our 1242. We've been doing that now for about a year. Very fast access. But what we're really excited about is a new product for this year. It's our RFID model. So initially it's going to be on the 825, the 812, the 1420, and the 1450 product lines, and it works just like this. You take your RFID key, place it right up top, and the shelf opens right up. Now, like I said, this is our display. We've had this thing to SHOT Show. We've had it out to the Great American Outdoor Show, and we have literally opened and closed this particular 825 thousands and thousands of times. Some of the additional features of the RFID system is that you're able to actually program multiple products to the same key card, and you're also able to program multiple key cards to one product. So if you wanted to be able to give out keys to 2 or 3 different people to have access to your home defense weapons, you're able to do that. Or if you want to be able to unlock 4 different products in 4 different parts of your home, you're able to do that as well. So that's one of the really neat things about the RFID technology. Another thing is you can see it in this form as a key card. You can put it in your wallet. You can carry it around with you everywhere you go. Or in the case of this book, we have one just stowed away right inside that lets you open it right up. Something that's real close by right on the shelf. Now you can hear it's actually chiming. If you leave your product open for too long, it will let you know that you've left it unlocked. It's a safety feature. It's also able to be disengaged, and you can turn that off. That's our new RFID 825. Come check out these awesome products and the rest of our line at tacticalwalls.com. Take care, and God bless.
The Salvo 12 contains a system of rods and baffles to contain the blast of a shotgun. The rods allow gas to escape into the baffles while preserving the function of the wad after it exits the barrel. The modular system of rods, baffles, and caps allows for the customization of the Salvo 12, depending on your desired weight and noise reduction specs. This also allows for easy cleaning of the suppressor. We have seen significant reduction in decibel levels, making the blast of a shotgun quieter than an unsuppressed .22 rifle. The Salvo 12 also significantly improves the perceived recoil of a shotgun, making shooting a more enjoyable experience for all. The Salvo 12 attaches to your shotgun through a removable choke system. A variety of chokes are available to fit your specific weapon.
Being a gun owner is not just buying a gun. You must always be prepared. You have to be trained. You are your gun's safety. When it's not on you, you want to know it's secure and accessible. Safes are not always accessible or easy to open, especially in the dark. And locks are a nuisance to operate. As for smart guns, well, smart guns are a dangerous concept. Taking an unreliable technology and embedding it into your gun is not a smart decision. Our mission is to bring you the perfect solution. Introducing ZORE X, the new generation of gun storage. ZORE X is caliber specific and has two modes. The first mode is awareness. If someone tries to tamper with your gun, you're immediately alerted. And when you need your gun, charging it will eject ZORE X and chamber a fresh round. The second mode is when your gun is locked. When ZORE is locked, no one can charge your gun. If someone tries to charge your gun, the locking mechanism will immediately expand, preventing the gun from being loaded. Special polymers in the locking mechanism prevent any damage to the barrel. ZORE has developed a revolutionary unlocking mechanism, Rapid Dial. Rapid Dial is a simple mechanism which counts clicks while you turn it. You don't need to start from a specific point. Even the direction that you turn the lock doesn't matter. These two factors allow you to unlock your weapon without looking at it, even in the dark. You can choose a simple code or any length code you wish. You won't believe how fast and simple it is until you try it. You can also open ZORE X from your phone, but you can only lock it by physically pressing the lock button. ZORE X normally communicates with your phone directly through Bluetooth. It also comes with a ZORE bridge, a Bluetooth to Wi-Fi router. When plugged into the wall near your gun, you'll be made aware from anywhere in the world if your gun is being tampered with. Now, if your home is your safe and you don't lock your gun, but you still want alerts, we have a solution. The ZORE Watchdog. The ZORE Watchdog is not a lock, but rather a notification device. Its sole purpose is to notify you if your weapon is tampered with. ZORE X was invented by veterans of elite IDF technological and combat units. We worked on it for 2 years, bringing it to perfection. ZORE X allows you to be ready, aware, and safe, more than ever before. Join the ZORE revolution. Own your gun.
Here's a standard weapon. The alternative, within seconds, is easily mounted to the top of the weapon. There's no obstruction to the sight picture for the operator, and there's no obstruction to the functionality of the weapon or the rail system. It still allows an officer the ability to attach a flashlight on their weapon. Once the weapon is fired, the bullet travels down the barrel, embedding itself inside the alloy projectile with no chance of escaping, instantly becoming one solid unit. The projectile immediately separates from the weapon, as the docking unit is instantly ejected. Then, a new bullet is cycled in for follow-up shots if necessary. The alternative is as accurate as the operator using it. Once the projectile impacts the threat, it will send a shockwave of pain to the suspect without the internal damage that a penetrating bullet would cause.